Hi everyone, today I want to teach you how to overcome negative behavioral patterns that are no longer serving you. So of course the first thing you want to do is become aware that you're doing something that no longer serves you and you no longer want to do. The second thing you want to do is you try to understand the root cause why you are trying to engage in this behavior. And typically there is a need behind it. The common needs are you're exhausted and tired and you have a need for rest, or you're feeling lonely and you have a need for connection, or perhaps you're feeling bored and you need intellectual stimulation, or you feel like you just want to check out a little bit and be in a different reality just for a little while. So when you understand what your need is, try to find a replacement that is more positive for you. To give you a few examples, when you're tired, take a rest or do a guided meditation for a while. If you're feeling lonely and need connection, connect with a friend or a loved one. If you need intellectual stimulation, do a puzzle or learn a musical instrument or a new language, or whatever it is that you would find fulfilling. And if you need to just get away from reality, escape for a while, read a good book, something that is uplifting or joyful. So to recap, you want to become aware, you want to understand the why, you want to find a healthy replacement, and you want to make that replacement, and you want to make that replacement become a habit over time. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you in the next video.